Hello everyone. So today in this video we will be calculating spot rates. So go to your developer and open your Visual Basics. We'll start the coding for this. We'll calculate spot interest rate from bond prices and coupon payments. So think VBA as a tool that reads coupon values and bond prices from Excel and then computes the spot rate interest rate for each year. So we'll start our coding in module 1. Very first step, we'll declare the variables, that is the number of years and face value of the bond, coupon rates for each year, prices of the bonds, and spot interest uh, rates calculated for each year. Sorry. And then we'll ask the user for the face value. So when Excel pops up a small box asking the user to type the bond's face value, so we'll write the coding for that, because once you run your macro, this pop-up box will appear and you have to write your assumptions or whatever the value that is given in the question. Then we'll write the code to read the coupon and price data from Excel, and for this it will be start reading from row 3 column B, and for each 10 years read the coupon rate from the current cell, move one cell to the right and read the prices of the bond, move one row down to read the next coupon and price pair. So we'll write the code for this one by one. And then we'll calculate the spot rates. We'll write the formula for that, and to compute the spot rate for year I, we'll start with the bond price for that year and then subtract the present value of all coupon payments that come earlier, discounted using already calculated earlier spot rates, and then compute the interest rate, that is spot rate, that makes the remaining cash flow equal to the adjusted price. So basically this follows the normal bootstrapping method used in finance. We'll write the formula for that. Price working in spot rate I, and be very careful about your spellings, because even a small s can make a huge difference. After writing the formula for the spot rate, we'll have to write the code to write the spot rates back to Excel. So we'll write the code for that also. Spot rate into column D starting from row 3 and moves downwards. So cell 3, 4 select, and for I is equals to 1 to n, active cell value spot rates I, active cell offset 1 to 0 select, and the next I. So here the code is completed. We'll move back to our Excel file. And select the spot rate and go to your macros. Here you will see a macro of spot rate, run, write the face value is 1000, and then automatically it will be calculated.